Welcome to this episode of Ink It Up with Jessica TV. I'm Jessica Taylor, and today I have a very special guest with me, my daughter Rachel. Welcome, Rachel.
Hi.
So Rachel is going to show us how to use embossing paste today. This is actually something that I have never used before, so I'm really excited to see what she's going to share with us. Are you ready?
Yep.
Great, let's get started. So tell us, Rachel, how do we use this embossing paste?
Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to color your paste. So when you open it up, it just comes white and you can turn it any color you want. So I'm just going to take a spatula and put some on a paper plate. I like to use a paper plate, so when I'm done, I can just throw it away. I don't have to clean up anything. And today I'm using Flirty Flamingo. You just use an ink refill. Squeeze one drop onto your paste. And then use your spatula to kind of mix it around. If you want a darker color, you can add more than one drop, but I like to stick to the normal color. So today I'm going to use this on some Whisper Right cardstock. You should use like scratch paper or any kind of paper you have handy so you can keep your surfaces clean and don't get stuff crusted to counters or something like that. So you're just going to scoop up your embossing paste and stick it right on here and then kind of smooth it out with your spatula so you can get a nice smooth texture. I like to do it kind of diagonally across the paper. I think it looks cool that way. And when you've done what you want, you can just peel it up right away. And it looks like this. And it dries pretty quickly, just like a minute or two. Oh, and when you want to clean your stuff pretty quickly after you're done so it doesn't get crusted onto things, and once it's crusted, it's really hard to clean. Just use some warm water, and I just use my fingers to kind of help get it off. Okay. So here are a few things that I've made with embossing paste. This one I've used that diamond pattern again to just get a nice background texture. And I actually mixed Bermuda Bay and Pool Party together to get this color. This one, I just did some white on some Bermuda Bay cardstock, and white looks really good on colored paper. This one's kind of the same thing. I just used Whisper White and Peekaboo Peach to color the paste. And this one, just some more white, and this one's a kind of a more elaborate stencil.
Great, thanks so much, Rachel, for sharing your embossing paste tips with us. And thank you all for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos from Rachel, please leave a comment and let her know that. Thanks so much for watching, and happy stamping.